Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo and I'm here today to introduce you to a brand new As Seen on TV launch. This is the Daisies and Ladybugs gift box. This is a super cute little gift box that we have for you here. Let's have a look at the die set first of all. So we have one of our A5 size die sets for you, and you kind of get an idea of what you're going to be making on the front, some inspiration for you, and you can see some more close-up images on the back along with the layout of your dies. You can see everything that you're getting in this collection. Let me grab this out. We do have full instructions inside the pack for you, and then this is your die set. It's a lovely simple set, very quick and easy to put together, which is great when you're making lots of small boxes like this. So decoration wise, you've got these beautiful daisy panels that cover every single layer of this box. So you can really go to town with the daisies aspect. And then if you're making a ladybug, obviously all you're going to need is some spots basically. So that makes it nice and simple too. We do have some extra little flowers and leaves that you can add on, and you've got an extra decorative piece to go over the top of the box as well. Like I say, very simple this one. There's not a huge amount on the die set from what it looks like, but it does make super cute little gift boxes. Let me show you some of those. Okay, so I'm going to start with a couple that we have on the packaging. So here is the first one. So we've got our little daisy box here. You can see those beautiful little daisies with their yellow centers in there. Very, very sweet, and there's that extra little flower on the side as well. And to open this gift box, you just simply pop the top down ever so slightly, and the two halves just open up like so, and then you have a good size gift box inside as well, almost like little mini handbag type boxes, very similar in style to a small handbag. Lots of things you could fit in here. It'd be great for gifting like small bits of jewelry or makeup or things like that. Chocolate obviously would always be a winner in something like that, but I think they'd be great for children's parties too, especially if you styled them as the little ladybugs. So let me grab in our ladybug, which I think is this one at the front. That looks about right. So a classic red ladybug, black spots. We've just offset the panel in the center just to give it a little bit of a highlight as well, and this one opens in exactly the same way. The box itself will be the same. So there you go. It's a black box, so it is basically like a giant void in there you can't really see on camera, but trust me, it is the same size box inside. It's super simple to put back together as well. So like I said, these would be great for children's parties and things like that. Little ladybug gift boxes. We've got a lovely array of these from the design team as well. So if I start up here, I have one from Roche, and she's definitely embraced spring and those daisies in this one. Some beautiful paper piecing going on in here with those lovely daisies. Very, very sweet. And you can see those all the way around. So you have the pattern that goes all the way down the sides, and then you even have a panel under where Roche's sticker is, and actually covers the join over the bottom as well. So Toby, who designed this, really has thought of everything to make these very sweet for you. I then have another one. This one is from Angela, and again we've got a classic little ladybug going on here. I love the black glitter for the body in the center. Very, very sweet. So both sides of that one are decorated as well. Thank you for that, Angela. I've got a very bright daisy one here. This one is from Vicky. I love the colours in it. So teal and orange and white. Slightly more grown up, this one, I think. Very, very pretty. And then I have a slightly unusual little ladybug here. This one is also from Vicky. I love this little black base with bubblegum and coral, I want to say, layered up to make the ladybug wings there, and that extra little flower layered up in the center too. Very, very sweet. Moving on then, I've got another slightly more grown up one again. This is from Angela. And so she's gone with a brown and cream base this time, and then used some mirror card for those panels. And I think these actually, yeah, so the flowers are actually coloured in through the mirror card using alcohol markers. Very, very pretty. I love that one. Moving on then, if I could get that back on the shelf. I have another one here from Roche. So Roche has made a very sweet ladybug styled box here using some patterned papers. I really, really like this. So it goes all the way down the sides as well. Very, very cute. Nice and simple too. So you really could theme these for any kind of occasion that you wanted them to work for. And then last row, I've got another, well, we've seen that one, classic ladybird. And then this one is from Angela. And again, some beautiful mirror card, bright springy colours on here. This is buttermilk and Arctic blue, I believe we've got going on here. So very classic spring colours. And once again, the flower centres have just been coloured in with an alcohol marker, just to give them that little pop of yellow in the centre of the daisies. Very, very cute. So that is our Daisies and Ladybugs gift box. Are you going to be grabbing this? Do let us know in the comments below. Like, where is your mind taking you? What ideas have you got for this already? If you do grab this and make some projects, don't forget to tag us in your makes. Thank you very much, Cameron. We would love to see what you're making. You can post those over on our Tonic Studios official Facebook group or across social media. We're at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. These are available now from our website, so go and grab your own die set. Of course, that does mean that if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do get your 10% TCK discount as well. And you can also pay in installments on our website if you would like to, using ShopPay or PayPal or Klarna. Pick whichever one works best for you at checkout. We hope you have enjoyed this. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!